about the grammar TOII or TOII. TOII or TOII is mean that it would be nice if something, or I hope . So in Japanese, when you use the grammar of TOII or TOII, you can use with the verb, and you can use only with the verb. But in here, you can use the verb in the causal form. In the causal form, that means you have to use the to only. But when you use with the verb in the ta form, which means the past tense form, and after that you can follow by la, and after that follow by e, something like this. In Japanese, when you use the TOII or TOII, that means you can say if the condition like this, it might be nice, or it would be nice, something like this. Let's see example now. あなたが気に入るといいな。あなたが気に入るといいな。Which means that I hope you like it. I hope you like it. In here we say we have the verb, like in our verb in here is in いる, right? いる. いる is mean that あなたが気に入る, which mean you like, right? I hope you like it. いると which mean if you like it, いい. That means if you like it, it would be nice, something like this. If you like that, it would be good, something like this. That means you buy something for anybody, right? And after you buy to that person, and the person feel good about what you buy for him or for her, that you feel that it would be good, be nice, something like this. And the second sentence is there. 見れたらいいね。見れたらいいね. Which means I hope I can see it. I hope I can see it. In this sentence, they say 見れたら, which means they change the verb to be たら, ta form, right? 見れた, 見れた, and followed by la, and after that followed by e, right? So in this case, we can say 見れたらいいね, which means if I can see that thing, it might be good, right? In the deeply meaning, it means that if I can see that thing, it might be good, or it would be good, or it would be nice, or it would be better, something like this. So in Japanese, you can say, I hope I can see it. It's very easy. The next, 明日晴れるといいな。明日晴れるといいな, which means I hope the weather will clear up tomorrow. I hope the weather will clear up tomorrow. In this sentence, you see that 明日晴れるといいな, which means we use the causal verb. In here, our causal verb is 晴れる, right? 晴れる is mean clear up, or the blue sky. In Japanese, they say 晴れる, which means blue sky, no cloud, something, and really sunny. It means a good weather. In Japanese, they say 晴れる. And it used to be と, which means if tomorrow the blue sky. いいな, which means it would be nice, it would be better, it would be good, something like this. So you can say, I hope the weather will clear up tomorrow. Next example. 旅行中は雨が降らないといいな。 旅行中は雨が降らないといいな which means I hope it doesn't rain during our trip. I hope it doesn't rain during our trip. Or in this sentence, you can translate in another way, like if it doesn't rain while we have a trip, it would be nice. It had a meaning like this. So when you translate, you just translate to be very easy, like I hope it doesn't rain during our trip. But the deep meaning that it means, if it doesn't rain while we are traveling or while we have a trip, it would be nice, something like this. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of TOII na, something like this. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next video clip. Thank you very much. ありがとうございました。